Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. While you're here, please hit that subscribe button. It would help a lot. Today's gonna be a little different. I'm going to be bouncing off my away luggage review that I did a few weeks ago, and I just love the luggage. I am about to take a trip to my parents' house, so I'm going to pack for it. I tend to be an overpacker, so we're gonna see how much we can fit in the carry-on. I'm only gonna be there for 3 nights and 4 days, so yeah, I just want to show you what the carry-on can fit and go from there. Also, I'm packing about 5 outfits, 1 pair of sneakers. I'm gonna be wearing sandals, makeup, socks, underwear, bras, deodorant, a belt, sleep clothes, and workout clothes. Oh, and I'm packing a ton of hair stuff because I'll probably be washing my hair wash day, so I have a ton of hair products to pack. Okay, so I had to take my makeup bag out and my shoes. Honestly, I think that if I wasn't rushing and organized a little better, I could have gotten it closed with my shoes, but kind of in a rush today. But overall, I'm impressed. I love the carry-on, love the pink. It's super cute. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched my overall review of Away, be sure to go check it out. See you guys later.